Good morning, students. I think let's start the class. Other students can join later. So, till yesterday, we have worked out the problems on curve fitting up to second degree parabola. We have seen, right? And we have left out with the normal equation, and I've told you to solve this part. We will see the solution of this. Anyway, normal equation we have written, but before that, we will work out the exponential curve, and then we'll come back to that problem. All right. So here we have an exponential curve. Yeah, we have exponential curve given in the form of y is equal to ax power b. In your syllabus, only one exponential curve is there, ax power b. But in general, we have a lot many other exponential curve like y is equal to ab power of x, and so many other curves. We have y is equal to a x power b power of x, and so many other exponential curves we have. But in your syllabus, only one exponential curve we are doing, which is y is equal to ax power of b. So this is an exponential curve. This is an exponential curve which we want to fit. So in this exponential curve also you have to find the value of a and b. So we have to find the value of a and b. But the question is how we have to find out now. So always remember that any kind of exponential curve you have to first convert that to equation of a straight line. Equation of straight line. Any kind of any exponential curve you have, first to convert this to equation of straight line, and then you write the normal equation of the straight line. Then you write the normal equation of the straight line which you fit. Okay, and then you find a and b from that normal equation and substitute in the given exponential curve. Now the question is that how we have to write the equation of straight line from the exponential curve. So that we're going to see now. Okay, so we'll just rub this particular part here. It's not required now. Okay, so to fit the exponential curve, first thing what you have to do in this case, the given curve whatever you have to take the log both sides. So take natural log base e both side. So when you take natural log both side, this will become log y is equal to log of a into x power of b. So now this turns out to be your log of a plus log of x power of b, and this will be log y. So now your log y term is equal to log a as it is plus you have log of x power of b. It is in the form of log m power n. So this can be written as b log x. So I hope till here there is no confusion. So once you turn out to be this set of equation, you write log y as capital Y. Log, wherever you have log term, you write that as capital term now. So log a I will write that as capital A plus b anyway small, and your log x will become capital of x. So now you can see that you have got a kind of straight line equation. So for this straight line, we have to write the normal equation. But don't forget that your substitution for capital Y is nothing but log of y. Your substitution of capital A should be log A, and your substitution for capital X should be log of X. So these are the substitution you have. One second, let me check. Ax power b. All right. So now we have to write the normal equation of this straight line only. So you know how to write the normal equation. We have to look at the coefficient of two unknowns. In this, we have two unknowns as capital A and small b. So first you have to multiply with 1 both side. So this will be summation of capital Y is equal to, this will become n times capital A plus b times summation of capital X. This is one normal equation. Now second normal equation, you have to multiply coefficient of small b, which is capital X. So this will become capital of xy summation is equal to, A will be outside the summation and this will be summation of capital X plus B summation of capital X square. So this is the normal equation we have got, and we have to solve this normal equation only to get the value of A and B from here. So some set of data I need to substitute. So I need capital Y, I need capital of xy, I need capital of x square value, and I need capital of x value. So how we have to substitute this value, how we have to find here. So I need to find capital Y here, which is nothing but your log y, right? You have to find capital X, which is nothing but your log small x, that is substitution we have taken. And then what else we need? We need capital X into capital Y. And I need capital X into capital Y. So don't forget that you have to use natural log here. In some textbooks, they are using base 10 also. So don't use base 10, you use log base E only to find the values. In question it is AB power of X. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I think then I've done the mistake. This is AB power of X. Okay. Thank you for letting me know this. This will be AB power of X here. Then our equation will change. So this will be this will be B power of X. Then this will be log A and log B power of X. So then this will be X here and this will be log B here. So this will be capital Y, capital A, and this will be uh, small x into capital B. Okay. So the normal equation turns out to be summation of y and a into, this will be x, this will be capital B in summation of small x, this will be small x into capital Y, a summation of small x plus capital B summation of x square. Okay, so the substitution will also change. Capital A will be log A retains, and here capital B will become uh, log B, right? So here also your small x will written as small x only. So this will be small x, and this will be small x into capital Y. Okay. Now we are done with that. So we'll find the values. So we can do this with calculator. I'm doing it in Excel here. So don't forget that you have to use natural log only. Okay. So let me write the values of log, and this will be log base e value. So I have to put the number. So number is 144, comma base value it is asking here. So base is e. So e value Excel will not take. I have to put the value of e. So which is 2.71828 approximately. Okay. So now I have got the value. So I will just drag this down. sorry. I think it is taking. All right. Now we drag this down. Now we have got the value. Now we have to find x square, right? Yeah. So this will be x square. So x square will be is equal to x power 2. So now we have calculated the x power of 2 values, and then I need to find small x into capital Y. So this will be is equal to small x into capital Y. Okay, and I have to drag this down. I have to drag this down. Okay, now we have got all the values here. So let us solve the normal equation. I will write down the values first. So here we have summation of x square. I need summation of x, and I need n value. I need summation of y. I need summation of x into y. So let us write all the values first, and then we'll move ahead. So n is equal to 5. Summation of x is 20. Summation of y is 1071.6, and this should be summation of capital Y, sorry, not small y. So this will be 26. This will be 26.672 I can put. Then summation of x square is 90, and then we have x into y as 108.51. 3 I will put here. I will just round this up. Okay, done. So now I'll put this equation here. So I will first write n into a. So n value is 5. So this will be 5 times capital A plus b times summation of x. So this will be summation x is 20. So this will be 20 times capital B is equal to summation of capital Y, which is 26.672. Next equation is a times summation x. So summation x is 20. So this will be 20 times a plus b times summation of x square. So this will be 90 times capital B is equal to summation of x into y, which is 108.573. Let me check. 513. Sorry. 513. Now we have to solve this equation, and we have to get the value of capital A and capital B. You do it in Calci. I will also do it parallelly. I'm getting capital A value as 4.6044 and capital B value as 0.1825. This is the value of capital A and capital B. This we have got it from normal equation. But the given curve is y is equal to ab power of x. So we have to find the value of small a and small b. So use this substitution here to find small a and small b. So if a is equal to log a, then what will be your small a becomes e power of capital A, and your b becomes e power of capital B. So from here you will get a value as e power 4.6044. So this becomes 99.92, and B becomes e power 0.1825, and this will become 1.2002. So from this substitution only, you have to find the small a and small b. Capital A is equal to log a, capital B is equal to log b. So a becomes, when log will go to this side, becomes e power f a, because it is log base e here. All right. Now you have got the value of a and b. Substitute in the given curve. So y was given a b power of x, a b power of x only. Yeah. Substitute now. So given curve is 99.92 into 1.2002 power x. So this is the, I will put y hat because this is a fitted curve. This is the best fit curve. So if any doubt in this process, please let me know. So capital A and capital B value will find out using calci. So go to mode, equation, and we have two unknowns, 5, and this will be minus 21.360 is equal to 17.078. A2 is 21.360 minus 91.579 is equal to 72.0897. All right, so we have got the A value as 14.677 and B value, capital B value as 2.636. So we have got capital A and capital B. So I will use this substitution here. Capital A is equal to log C. So this implies C will be equal to e power of A, and your capital B is the value of gamma itself. So there is no change. So what is the C value I will get? E power 14.677. So this I'm getting as C is equal to 23.68683.107, and from here your gamma value is 2.636. So we had the equation of PV power gamma is equal to C. So we have to find, they have told us to find the value of C and gamma. We have calculated the value of C and gamma. So this implies your PV power 2.636 is equal to 23.66683.107. That is the answer. If any doubt in this, I once again repeat, C is equal to PV power omega gamma was the given ideal equation of the gas. Then we have taken log both sides because we have P pressure and volume. So pressure will come on the left hand side. So log C have taken to the right hand side. So become log C minus gamma log B. So log P have taken as capital Y, log C have taken as capital A, gamma have taken as capital B, and log V have taken as capital X. This is just a substitution to look like in the form of equation of straight line. And after that, I have written the normal equation of this straight line. and we have substituted the values, and we have got the value of capital A and capital B. So capital A, we have substitution taken as log C. So C will become e power of A. So now this is the C value we have got. B was gamma itself. So B value written as gamma value itself. So gamma value will be 2.636. Substitute the value in the given ideal gas equation. This is what you will get it. So from this set of equation, you can either calculate pressure or volume. Anything you can calculate from this set of equation. If volume is given to you, you want to calculate pressure, you can calculate. If you want to find volume given pressure, that also you can find. In this case, the damage is depending upon two factors. One is weight of the shipment, weight, and the distance it travels. Okay, so if damage is your dependent variable, so damage of the shipment, whatever the truck carries, it all depends upon the weight. So weight I have taken as x1 factor and distance I have taken as x2 factor. So they are telling us to fit a regression plane. It means the regression line. In previous classes, we have seen the fitting of regression of straight line, that is a plus bx. This is the previous classes we are talking about, where you had only one dependent variable and you have only one independent variable. But now in this particular case, your y is depending upon two factor, x1 and x2. So you have basically more than one independent variable. So whenever you have one dependent variable which is depending upon more than one independent variable, we call that as multiple linear regression. We call that as multiple linear regression. Multiple means you have more than one independent variable. So now the regression equation for this set of data will become b0 plus b1 times x1 plus b2 times x2. b0, b1 and b2 are your correlation coefficients. So if the only thing you have to remember here, that if x1 change 1 unit, then y also will change 1 unit. If x2 will change by 1 unit, then y also will change by 1 unit, because y is depending upon both x1 and x2. And multiple linear regression always written in the form of y is equal to b0, one constant, you will be having b1 x1, you will be having b2 x2 plus b3 x3 and so on. It depends upon how many independent variables you have. But in our case, we have only two independent variables, so I have to stop up to b2 x2. And how to solve this multiple linear equation? So we have to solve this multiple linear equation by the method of least square only. We have so many other methods, but because you have to solve manually with calculators, so use least square method only for solution. But if you want to code the multiple linear equation in your by C language or Java, then we have matrix method also. We have matrix method also to solve, but it's not easy to solve by simple pen and paper. We have to code this. We need to code this particular method to solve any multilinear regression. So that is why matrix method I'm not doing it. I'm going ahead with least square method only. So let us go ahead and discuss the least square method for this regression model of the given data. So you have to simply write the normal equation. You have to write the normal equation. How many unknowns you have? You have three unknowns, b0, b1 and b2. So same procedure will follow. The coefficient of b0 multiply take summation. Coefficient of B1 multiply and take summation. Coefficient of B2 multiply and take summation. So let us write the normal equation. First I'm multiplying with 1 and I'm taking summation. So when you multiply with 1, you will get y is equal to B0 plus B1 x1 plus B2 x2. So there is no change when you multiply with 1 and take summation. So this will become summation of y. When you write summation of B0, this will become n times B0. This will be B1 summation of x1. This will be B2 summation of x2. Next, you have to multiply with x1 both sides. So this will become x1y plus b0 x1 plus this will become b1 x1 square plus this will become b2 into x1 x2. And now you have to take the summation. So constant always come outside the summation. Now the third equation, the third coefficient is x2. So multiply with x2. So you will get x2y is equal to b0 x2 plus here you will get b1 x1 into x2 plus what you get here, you will get b2 into x2 square, and then you have to take the summation. So now we have got the three normal equation that we will identify and we will calculate. I need summation of y, I need summation of x1, I need summation of x2. I want summation of x1y, I want summation of x1. X1 is only anyway we can calculate. X1 square I need, x1 of x2 we have to find. X2y need to find. Summation of x2 already we have, so we can put it here. X1 x2 will be here and x2 square will be new value. All right, so I just rub this portion here. So to avoid the confusion, what we need to find, we just write it here so that I need summation of x1, I need summation of x2 value, I want summation of x1 square, I want summation of x2 square. Then what else? I need summation of x1 into x2 value, and I need summation of x1 into y, and I need summation of x2 into y value. This set of data I need to find. So anyway, x1 and x2 summation value already we have here, so I will just put it. This is given in the data itself. This is 18 and this will be 9.1. So x1 square, let me calculate first. So this will be x1 square. Then I need to find x2 square. Then x1 into x2, x1 into x2. Then I want x1 into y, x1 into y, and x2 into y. This much of data I need to find. So x1 square, you have to just take x1 and square, and you have to drag this. So this will be x2 square. This will automatically take x2 square. So I will just drag this down. Now I need to find x1 into x2. So x1 into x2. So I will just drag this down. I want to find x1 into y. Okay. Then I need to find x2 into y. Okay. Now all the values we have calculated. So I will just write it down here. x1 square is 63.6, x2 square is 15.29, x1 into x2 is 27, x1 into y is 2505.4, and x2 into y is 1131.4. So now all these values we have to substitute here and we have to solve. So still we have time, we can solve this. So let me solve this quickly. So n, what is the n value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N value is 6. So this will be 6 times b naught plus summation of x1 is how much? 18. So this will be 18 times b1 plus summation of x2 is 9.1. So this will be 9.1 times b2 is equal to summation of y. What is summation of y? 740. This is equation number 1. All right. Second equation, b naught into summation of x1. So this will be 18 into b naught plus summation of x1 square 63.6 into b1 plus b2 times summation of x1 x2. So x1 x2 is 27. So this will be 27 into b2 is equal to summation of x1 into y, which is 2505.4. Third equation will be b naught summation of x2. Summation of x2 is how much? 9.1. So this will be 9.1 times b naught plus b1 into x1 x2. So x1 x2 is 27. So this will be 27 times b1 plus x2 square 15.29. So this will be 15.29 times b2 is equal to summation of x2 into y, which is 1131.4. So this is equation number 2, equation number 3. So go to the calculator mode and solve and tell me the value of then we have 9.1 into b naught plus 27 into b1 plus 15.29 into b2. Okay, so I just need to calculate this data. I will go to the solver. Equation is equal to 740. Range will be this 3. This is equal to straight add. So we have got the value of b naught b1. These are the b naught b1. Those who have done with the calculator can please verify. So here I have got b naught value as 14.56. We have got b1 value as 30.11 and b2 value as 12.16. You have to just substitute this value in regression model. Here you have to substitute. So your y becomes b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2. So y becomes 14.56 plus 30.11 into x1 plus 12.16 into x2. So this is the regression model, multiple regression model we have completed. So I will put this as y hat because this is the fitted model. They are also telling us to estimate the shipment, estimate the damage when shipment weight is 3700 kg and distance is 260 kilometer. So distance I have taken in terms of 100 kilometer. So put x2, this is the value of x2. So you have to put x2 is equal to 2.6 because I have taken in terms of 100 of kilometer, and you have to substitute x1 is equal to 3700 and estimate the damage in rupees. So therefore your estimate will be 14.56 plus 30.11 into 3700 plus 12.16 into 2.6. So damage we have to estimate. So quickly we can calculate. So this will be 14.56 plus 111407 plus 2.6. This will be 31.616 plus 31.616 plus 14.56. It is coming around 111453.176 rupees. So